Hi, in this video we're going to share an amount in a ratio. Now let's just remind ourselves what's meant by a ratio. Ratios allow us to say the relative size of different quantities. So for example, if you were to make squash, you would make it with concentrate from a bottle and then you mix it with water. And there might be instructions on the side that says you mix 1 part concentrate to 4 parts water. And what that means is that for each 1 lot of concentrate, you're going to use 4 lots of water. And what a lot is doesn't really matter. It might be for each 1 gallon of concentrate, you use 4 gallons of water. It doesn't matter, but it just means for each 1 lot of concentrate, you use 4 lots of water. And that's giving us the relative size. It's saying that the amount of water is 4 times as big as the amount of concentrate. And the way we write that as a ratio is this. The ratio of concentrate to water, we would write as 1 to 4. That's how we say it. The ratio of concentrate to water is 1 to 4. And that means for each 1 lot of concentrate, we're going to use 4 lots of water. And we write colons in between each part of the ratio. Now let's use that to solve this problem here. We're told there's 33 people in a show, so that's a total number of people. And it says the ratio of girls to boys is 9 to 2. And we've got to work out how many girls there are and how many boys there are. Now, it says the ratio of girls to boys in that order is 9 to 2. So we have 9 parts for the girls and 2 parts for the boys. Remember, each number in the ratio means how many parts we have of each. Now, we're given this 33 people at the show. How many parts in the ratio does the 33 people represent? Well, the 33 people is the total number of girls and boys, and therefore we work out the total number of parts. Now, if there's 9 parts girls and 2 parts boys, there are 11 parts in total. So we write 11 parts for the total number of parts, and that represents the total number of people, which is 33 people. Now, we want to work out how many girls and how many boys there are. So we want to work out what 9 parts is worth, because that's how many girls there will be. And we want to work out what 2 parts is worth, because that's how many boys there will be. Now, my advice is to always work out what 1 part is worth first. So if we know what 11 parts is worth in the ratio, what is 1 part worth? Well, to get from 11 parts to 1 part, we need to divide by 11, because it's 11 times smaller. So we divide the 33 by 11 as well. We get 3 people. So 1 part is worth 3 people. And as we said, we want to work out how many girls there are. So there's 9 parts girls. So what's 9 parts worth? Well, to get from 1 part to 9 parts, you just multiply by 9. So you multiply this by 9 as well. And 3 times 9 is 27. So we've got 27 people, which is 27 girls. So there's 27 girls because there was 9 parts girls. And we said there were 2 parts boys. So what's 2 parts worth? Well, 1 part is worth 3 people. So 2 parts will be twice as big. And 3 times 2 is 6. So therefore, there are 6 boys there. And let's just check that those numbers add up to 33 people in total. 27 girls plus 6 boys is 33 people in total. So we've probably got the answer correct.